Healing after he leaves, overcoming heartbreak and embracing new beginnings. Exploring the journey of healing after a sudden breakup is akin to embarking on a voyage through uncharted emotional territories. It's a path filled with self-discovery, resilience, and eventual renewal, though initially shrouded in the fog of disbelief and pain. The initial shock of abandonment leaves a profound impact, often evoking a maelstrom of emotions ranging from disbelief to profound sadness. This tumultuous phase is characterized by a struggle to grasp the sudden void left by a partner's departure. Accepting the reality of the breakup marks the first significant stride toward healing. It's a daunting task, punctuated by moments of denial and bargaining, but essential for moving forward. Acknowledging the end allows for the seeds of recovery to be sown. Allowing yourself to grieve is a crucial aspect of the healing process. It's a testament to the depth of the connection lost and a necessary passage through the pain. Embracing grief paves the way for genuine healing, acknowledging the loss without hastening its departure. Self-compassion during heartbreak acts as a soothing balm, offering solace in moments of intense vulnerability. It's about treating oneself with the same kindness and understanding one would offer a dear friend, recognizing that healing takes time and patience. Seeking support after a breakup is crucial. Turning to friends, family, or professionals can offer a safe space to express feelings and gain perspective. This external support system becomes a pillar of strength, guiding one through the tumultuous journey of heartbreak. Rediscovering yourself beyond the relationship is an enlightening experience. It's an opportunity to explore interests, hobbies, and passions that were sidelined. This period of self-discovery fosters independence and reaffirms one's identity outside of a partnership. The power of self-care cannot be overstated during the healing process. Engaging in physical, emotional, and spiritual activities nurtures well-being. Whether it's exercise, meditation, or simply reading a book, self-care acts as a balm for the wounded heart. Embracing solitude is a formidable step towards healing. It's in the quiet moments alone that one truly confronts their feelings and begins to find strength in independence. This newfound solitude can transform into a source of empowerment and self-assurance. Rebuilding confidence after a breakup is essential. Overcoming the feeling of rejection involves affirming one's worth and embracing the unique qualities that define us. Confidence is rebuilt by setting small, achievable goals and celebrating each victory along the way. Forgiveness plays a crucial role in the healing process, even when an apology is absent. It's about freeing oneself from the chains of bitterness, allowing space for inner peace. This step isn't about excusing the behavior, but about valuing your emotional well-being above the past. Learning from heartbreak transforms pain into strength, offering invaluable lessons on love, boundaries, and self-worth. This growth fosters resilience, empowering you to approach future relationships with a deeper understanding of what you truly deserve. Setting boundaries post-breakup is vital for protecting your heart. It involves recognizing your worth and refusing to settle for less than you deserve. Healthy boundaries ensure that future relationships are built on respect, trust, and mutual appreciation. Venturing into new possibilities symbolizes the dawn after a dark night. Embracing life beyond loss opens doors to unexpected opportunities, encouraging you to rediscover joy, passion, and the potential for new love amidst the ruins of heartbreak. Moving on requires letting go of what was to make room for what can be. It's a journey of accepting change, fostering self-love, and stepping forward with hope. This step marks the beginning of a new chapter, filled with endless possibilities for happiness and fulfillment. Finding happiness within oneself is a crucial step in healing after a breakup. It's about understanding that your joy doesn't hinge on another person. This self-realization fosters independence and resilience, setting a strong foundation for any future relationships. The journey of healing is inherently unpredictable, filled with its own ups and downs. Embracing this non-linear path is essential. It's a process of 2 steps forward and sometimes 1 step back, but each movement brings you closer to recovery. Empowerment follows as you begin to recognize your worth and potential. This self-discovery is a silver lining, illuminating your capabilities and strengths. It's a profound realization that you are complete, with or without a partner, and capable of overcoming adversity. In conclusion, mending a broken heart is a journey that encompasses understanding and nurturing oneself. It involves embracing your pain, learning from the experience, and gradually moving forward with a newfound sense of self-awareness and strength. Lastly, a message of hope: you're not navigating this path alone. Many have walked this road before you and emerged stronger on the other side. Remember, every ending carves out the space for a new beginning. Keep pushing forward, and don't be afraid to seek support and share your story. Embarking on the journey of healing after a heartbreak is a testament to your resilience. To continue discovering ways to mend and grow, subscribe to our channel, like our content, and share these empowering insights with those navigating similar paths. Your support helps build a community of healing and hope. Remember, every ending marks the dawn of a new beginning. As you push forward, know that the pain of today paves the way for the joy of tomorrow. Keep moving forward, embracing each step of your journey with courage and optimism.